Welcome guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to use AI to write your code. We're going to be using Copilot. First, you start by signing up. Come to this place, click on this. This will pop up. Now sign in with your VS Code. I'm going to continue with my VS Code. Click on this. Switch for it to load. Yeah. This AI inputs. You can select whatever option you prefer. After you can just scroll here. Let's create a new file. Let's say new charts. New chart now. Right. Beautiful red background font. HTML font. You can see all that. So you can just copy this here. Copy this here. Paste. Save this. It's called index.php. Now let's load our slash recent video. You can see that no red background. See that 32 background of red. But you can always write your code with that. So I can just change my background here to, or make my body. Just change the background of the body to red. See that? So that's how to write your code with AI on VS Code. This can write a complete code. Just have in mind that this will only assist you in writing some minor code you still have. See, I came here to change the background to red, so this will help you, write a better code. Just have in mind that you will also have to correct it, but it's faster. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.